Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hotkey Highlights brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison. Today we're going to talk about the Shift plus W hotkey, which is Wall. You might think Wall would be W, but W unfortunately loads up the Window tab. So in order to bring up the Wall tool, you're going to have to hit Shift plus W at the same time. You can see here on the top left that it has loaded up my Wall tool, and I can click once and then go wherever I'd like to create a wall, and then keep going down. Now, I would not recommend using the Wall tool to actually build your rooms. It's a much more efficient process to just hit the R key, drop in your room, and drop in another one as you see fit, or using Control for Create, as we've discussed in another hotkey highlight, just holding Control and dragging off into the next room that you'd like to create, and it'll build it off the current measurements. What I do recommend using the Wall tool is pony walls. So if you have, for example, a little toilet hideaway, you may want to hit Shift plus W. As you can see, it loaded up my Wall tool, and I'll come up to 3.6 and I'll create a little 3-foot wall here. So then it'll keep going until I hit Escape, and now my pony wall is created. And I can go into the features here and create a missing wall above 3 feet, etc. But Shift plus W will help you load up the Wall tool, which you can use to quickly draw the various walls that you need that are outside the normal room, such as a pony wall in this case. This has been another hotkey highlight. I hope you've enjoyed. Hope this helps you work a little more efficiently as you fly through the sketching process in Xactimate. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next week.